Straightening and cutting high-tensile steel wires. The first step in making durable mesh panels. Each wire is carefully placed into a custom mold to prepare for spot welding. Once all wires are aligned, the automated welding machine fuses them into a solid wire mesh. Our precision welding process ensures every joint is strong and evenly spaced. Next, we trim off any excess wires along the edges for a clean, uniform finish. A hydraulic press shapes decorative wave patterns around the panel border for added strength and appearance. These wave edges are then welded securely to the perimeter of the mesh panel. Finally, cylindrical sleeves are welded to all four corners, allowing the panel to lock onto upright posts later. Finished panels are stacked and organized, ready for quality inspection and packaging.